If you are under 18, you'll be issued a provisional license. This means there are provisions that you must obey in order to keep your license.
For the first 12 months, you must be accompanied by a licensed driver 25 years of age or older when you have passengers under the age of 20 riding with you, or when you drive between the hours of 11 p.m. and 5 a.m.
Here's the music.
With a provisional license, any combination of 3 traffic citations or at-fault accidents in a 12-month period will result in a 6-month suspension of your driving privilege, and you'll be placed on probation for 1 year. Now, you're also subject to the zero tolerance law. Zero tolerance means you cannot drive with any measurable amount of alcohol in your system.